Hello, beautifuls. This is Atleen, and I'm coming to you with another YouTube video. So today we will be discussing media converters and also transceivers. So now, when we are connecting fiber connections, you may say, well, where exactly does this or that plug in? And I don't see any fiber connections on my switch. A lot of switches have a place where we insert transceivers such as GBIC. We plug in GBIC connectors for gigabit interface converters, and we plug our fiber in there, and we can have a fiber connection from one chassis to another chassis. So let's discuss speeds. So with GBIC, it's 1 gig, which means 1 gigabit per second. And Sfp, and it's a bit smaller than the GBIC, and it's 1 gig per second.
Distance about 300 meters up to 2,000 meters, depending on transmitting rate. The single mode fiber can transmit over a distance from 5,000 to 10,000 meters.
So with Sfp, we just plug it into an empty hole on our switch, and also it's a smaller footprint. Sfp is a smaller footprint than GBIC, than GBIC. Then the manufacturing got a bit better, and we advanced to Sfp plus, and this supports a 10 gig connection, and we can also group together 4 times the bandwidth, which is 40 gigs. And so yes, we can have a quad Sfp, which takes a 10 gig transceiver and it quadruples it, which is really amazing. So a lot of equipment in data centers use these, and that's the newest one. Is the transceiver is QSFP-DD quad small form factor pluggable. Okay, so we'll be reading out of Ccna²⁶ Volume 1, Window Odom. And again, Sfp and Sfp plus is just basically stating that it has improved over the years, same size as the Sfp, but is useful on 10 gigabits per second interfaces. And the plus refers to the increase in speed compared to Sfps. Okay, thank you for watching, and I wish you well.